Ka South Shillong Advisory Committee negasngi la lej ban IT ya ka jingtho la ni ka jing ai jingmut sha ka expert committee ha bai dei bar ka bha thungkam tungjam ha ka jila ya ga ne ka committee la khli da wemle ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai ha ka ba Nagaleng jong ka committee ka lai jingmut sha ka expert committee ban ai bha lai 4% na ka banta ki khasi jantia bat lai 4% ya ki garo kumjuru ulong ban ai Henrio na kasispa yaki SC with SC but OBC but nyo percent na kasispa yaki unreserved. Habakran berkilat pathoy khobor na kaleng Bah Sanbor ulong ban na kaleng jongki kala phai kijing ai jingmot show secretary joka expert committee ba LK Dingdo hakaba kila ai jingmot ka committee na kamta 4% ka bha ikbadon hagathup joka jingdok but Duna yak yo kakon. Long ru ba prapunyo na kasispa ka deban bhai ka baduk ka badai ki khasi giantia bat garo nang da 100% ya ki SC but OBC but nyo percent na ka banta ki unreserved. Shushu na kaleng Bah Sanbor long ba ka committee ka lai jingmot sha ka expert committee na ka banta ka jingmentoy jong ki baduk ki bajanjat but ki nong kindong dongin ngap ya ka ei ka ba uni unong elam Upan shai shushu ha bai dei bat ka bha thungkam.
Today is the last date for submission of suggestion and recommendation for the amendment of the state reservation policy in line with the implementation of the roster system by the state government. So today on behalf of the people of the 19th South Shillong Advisory Committee, we have here our advisor, Shri George Arthur Wardry. Then we have General Secretary, Tobias Armarak, and we have Bipen Pradhan, the member of the committee, and other members we have here, Punhun Kharbuli, Visim, Raju, Limbu, and Kamal, Apa, and others. So this we have addressed to Shri LK Dingdo, Secretary Expert Committee, Personnel, and ARB Department, Government of Meghalaya. And the subject of this suggestion and recommendation on behalf of the 19th South Shillong Advisory Committee to improvise the Meghalaya State Reservation Policy 1972. So we have submitted just now, and let me highlight submit the highlights of this suggestion. We are going to provide you one set of copy of this suggestion and recommendation letter submitted to the Secretary Shri LK Dingdo. And here the main highlights of our recommendation and suggestion is that the above reservation is being done keeping in mind the 2011 population whereas the population census of 2011 tribal make up to 86.15% of Meghalaya population. So based on that, number two, 30% we have suggested to reserve for Khasi Jaintia, 30%. Reserve for Garo, 27%, 30%, and 27% to reserve for economically weaker section, 6% combined to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, out of which 3% for other Shul tribe and 3% for Shul caste and OBC, 7% on reserve for general. Previously, other Shul tribe and Shul caste is 5%. Now we have proposed 6% with the increase of 1% with inclusion of OBC, other backward classes. Number 3 highlight, out of the 27% reservation for economically weaker section category, wherein 87% will be reserved for the economically weaker section or the BPL people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo category, and remaining 6% to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, and 7% for unreserved category suggested by the advisory committee shall benefit the poor and also people from rural areas who are mostly deprived. For the job reservation, the economically weaker section includes the BPL family, which includes the children of drivers, hawkers, domestic workers, daily wages earners, contractual employees, ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers, farmers and laborers. For these, the government employees are excluded from economically weaker section category. Number 4 is the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal in OBC category, and the advisory committee has also suggested the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal of the state in OBC category, and for those entitled for the Shul caste should be included in Shul caste category. The advisory committee has also suggested 3% reservation for OBC and Shul caste and 3% for the other Shul tribe. The advisory committee has also suggested that in the absence of any interested candidates belonging to other Shul tribe, Shul caste, OBC and unreserved category in any respective district, the same shall be filled by economically weaker section society of the Khasi Jaintia category in all Khasi and Jaintia hills, which includes in Ribhoi district, and Garo in case of Garo hills for district level posts or subdivisional posts. Number 6, the advisory committee also suggested for district level posts or sub-divisional posts, out of 87 combined reservation, 50% should be reserved for economically weaker section belonging to the Khasi Jaintia for all Khasi and Jaintia Hills district, which includes Ribhoi district and Garo for Garo Hills district. The advisory committee also suggested that the reservation policy should be reviewed every 10 years. Every 10 years should review. Here, it comes to 100-point reservation roster to be followed. Out of 100 seats, 30 seats reserved for Khasi Jaintia, category 1, in category 1. 30 seats reserved for Garo, category 2. 27 seats reserved for economically weaker section, category 3, sub-classification, one of which 24 seats reserved for the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo, 1 seat for other Shul tribe, 1 seat for other Shul caste and OBC, regional basis, 1 seat on reserve. The above sub-classification is done as per population census 2011. 4, 3 seats reserved for other Shul tribe category. 4, 1 seat reserved for Shul caste category 4, 2 seats reserved for OBC category 4, 7 seats for unreserved category 5. From all the above categories, 100% shall be reserved. We have given this from all the above categories as mentioned, 10% shall be reserved for the differently able people with disability, physically and handicapped, 10%. An individual who excel in the field of sports, arts and culture, this 10%. Tahang ne kalong ba ngingi stress ba yakini ki baduk ki bakrudu nadu kinong bala kinong rep ki taxi driver ki ben clean embrio ki ba treken ta embrio ki hawkers dan ni ki ba di ki bam de ki nong trekam sorkar ki ba trek kam private ki baduk ki bakardu ba ki ban receive no ar punyo persen na benta jom ki mar kum ka bolong akin ki san bho stem tam ki bla yu kam dan ke clarity aga tir reservation policy ki jongi ban peni bakal adun ka jingmang ka jingmang ya kata ka bhah na benta jom ki baduk ki bakardu ngari bala adun ka jingmang nam ta ki sports sport kam dan ke clarity ka ba syai bala mangkat ta persen nam ta ki sports sports kota kata persen nam ta ka art culture kam tu ki badai ki kota juga art and culture te arpujo persen nam ta ki economically we kan dari BPL di bawah mende gidong trekam sorkar ngadu gidong rep ngadu gidong ya taxi gidong kling beriu gidong di surok di madan apa surok gidong songyo barit beria gidong bela barit beria ki batreh ki kam baper ki balat no ki batrekam sorkar ya ki boro lah ni laju mur badeban ai bhah kerpang no ya ki arpujo persen te kata ka di ke ba ini ya la percaya bagi saya kopi ya ki boro